Good morning, everybody! Si Ayi po ulit ito, and you are watching IEM sa Canada YouTube channel. And, eto na naman ako. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat na nandyan sa Pilipinas or saan man po kayong parte ng mundo. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. As usual, break ko na naman. So, heto na naman ako. Um, vlog na naman. Vlog ek. So anyway, so today, pag-uusapan natin is, yesterday, it was Canada Day here in Canada. So it was a holiday, a national holiday. So most of us have no work yesterday. So, but I worked yesterday because I switched my schedule. So anyway, so yesterday we were planning to go picnic, like supper at the park. We're supposed to take out some food and just do supper, like we're gonna have it at the park. But yet we decided we'll just watch the fireworks. But yesterday we went downtown to watch the fireworks, and it was crazy traffic. Like we left, usually the fireworks starts at about 10 o'clock in the evening. So we left the house. We were like about 15 minutes away downtown where the fireworks is. It's just that we cannot see it from our roof or from our balcony because of the big condos covering it. But anyway, so it was usually around 15-20 minutes to go to downtown where they have the fireworks. But because it's Canada Day and everybody wants to see the fireworks, it was crazy traffic. In the beginning, we were like planning to just take the metro and, we'll take the subway metro, we're just gonna go downtown. But one of the kids, like one of my niece, she had some accident like a few months ago, so she really have a trouble walking right now. So we cannot take the subway because we knew it's gonna be so much traffic just to go there. So we decided that we will just take a drive. We'll bring the car and we will just park. We'll pay the parking downtown. Um, but our usual 15-20 minutes downtown drive became like an hour and a half just to be on that spot. And with that an hour and a half traffic, I'm telling you guys, it's like bumper to bumper, no moving. People are just walking in between cars. So there's really no way for us to go back because both it was a small. I'm gonna show you a video about it on how traffic it was. And at exactly 10 o'clock, we were just in between trees and we can see the fireworks at the trees, like the colors of the fireworks. And we were like, and the kids were like, oh, it's so nice. It was, you can see the trees with fireworks. But we were just, we were looking forward for the real view of the fireworks, and it's impossible. There's no way for us to see it. So it was so bad. The traffic was so bad. It's just good that my sister had her tank full yesterday. So we didn't had any problem with the gas. And then the worst part is going back home because we were still stuck in the traffic, and the people are like, they're just everywhere when it's time to go back. So there's really no way for us to turn around, to make a U-turn. So we were just there, and we're just waiting for the people to finish passing, and it was just crazy downtown yesterday. But you know what, guys, it's actually good. It means that economy of Montreal is really good because there's so many tourists yesterday. You can see the difference between the locals and the tourists. So although Montreal or Canada itself is a diverse country, Like there's so many kind of nationality here, nationality of immigrants. So, but you can see the difference between the locals and the tourists. So it's really nice. The restaurants were jam packed. You can see the lineup of the restaurants downtown. So it means the economy is getting better. So it's really really good. That's good for the business and that's good for us too. But anyways, we by the time we get home, it was about almost 12 o'clock midnight. It was around 11:20 by the time we get home. Crazy! It was one night crazy decision. But anyway, it ended up good. The kids were having fun while there was a fireworks. It's just that because it was so long the traffic, kids are becoming crabby. But hey, it's one day in a year, so might as well. So, but next year probably we'll skip it. We decided we're gonna go after probably a couple of years again. So, and next time it's just that the metro is jam packed too. The subways are jam packed. So, just to be able to get the subway, plus you have kids, and it's it's so unsafe. We feel like the kids will be lost or something. So we might as well take the car. So, but hey, in a couple of years, the kids are grown up, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. But anyways, it was fun, and I guess happy Canada Day. Another year passed, and my God, it's already half of the year. Holy moly! Anyways, have a nice day, everyone, and I'll speak. I'll take another vlog anytime soon, also. So, bye for now. My break is over, so. See you next time. Have a nice day, everyone. Love you guys.
Look is that.
Hindi naman si Tita ay makapicture. I don't know.
That is
Tell me that's the end
fantastic.
of it.
That is fantastic. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. There it is. Yay. Gising na, gising na. Oh.
Kasi tumatawid eh. Hindi makain.
Really?
That's a okay, that's
Whoa.
okay. Stop exploding. Okay, that's enough. You stop. I said you stop.
Oh.
You're gonna listen on. But this is gonna sit right back.
That's it. That's it. Oh, watch your head. Watch your head.
Where is it?
There.
I'm in a perfect spot. I'm sitting down.
Aba. Oh.
Whoa. Whoa, green. The beautiful white. Wow, sparkling. Green. Greenness.
That's it.
Now this
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, no, this. Oh, you can see it. After this one, you can see it. Because look over there. There's no tree. Look, there's no tree. Look. Look over there. There's no tree there.
Mama down over there, no tree there.
Isang pa ko dito. Gusto niyo. Pero nagpapag na sila dito kasi.
Hindi rin kita, Sisi. Diretso mo na lang.
Maganda pa rin.
Oo.
There's no more trees. Ayan na. Oh. Ayan.
This is your perfect spot.
Toys.
Wow, that's the finishing. Yay! Happy Canada Day, people. Happy Canada Day. Oh, don't make it too fast, Mama. That's the finale. We just got the finale on time.
I just saw a blue one.
Woo, that's it? Oh.
We missed it.
Oh, tapos na nga. Alright. Woohoo! Yay! Okay, sit back to your seat.
Hindi, meron pa yan.
Wala na. Watch it baka may maano ka. Hola, sit down at baka makita tayo ng police.
At least
Okay, we saw the finale. Anong tawag dyan, anak? Anong tawag dyan?
Pinutol lang nga eh.
stampede.
Hindi stampede, yung may...
Cramping.
Yes. I forgot the term.
Tawag sa ganyan. Yung ano? Yes.
Anak,
Excuse me a
we cannot
second,
go
no?
home. There's no way. The cars doesn't move. Look at the car in front of us. It's still like that.
I'm trying my best. Pagkatapos mong manood ng fireworks, good job at
May
palakpak ka pa.
pagpalak.
Tapos, no patience. Wala ka.
Tapos na po ang fireworks. Saan kayo pupunta? May dala pang upuan. Hindi kayo na-inform. 10 o'clock ang fireworks.
Hindi mo gagapangin, hindi ka makakalaman.